Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee of Raymond's Dental Solutions. Today, we are about to dive into the heart of cutting-edge dental technology that's set to upgrade your work. Get ready for an exciting exploration of the incredible 5-axis 450 milling machine. We've all been on the hunt for that perfect blend of affordability and top-tier performance. Well, your search ends right here. But let's start with the heart of this remarkable machine, the spindle, with an impressive 1.28 kilowatt of power. This isn't just any spindle, it's a Sycotec, the pinnacle of excellence. Say farewell to compromises and hello to unparalleled precision. Now let's tackle a common concern, the machine's weight. At 550 pounds, this isn't just a study, it's a fortress of stability. As they say, stability paves the way for pinpoint accuracy. And that's not all. The 5-axis 450 features an open C-type cartridge enabling unparalleled precision on the labial side and those intricate undercut zones. No more post-milling adjustments to worry about. Oh, and did I mention titanium abutment milling? Consider it conquered. This machine breezes through occlusal and curbside with panache. And the cherry on top, connectless milling means zero post-milling tweaks needed. From retention groove milling to thread milling and titanium bar milling, this machine brings your creative visions to life. And with the capacity to load 6 CAD blocks, your workflow just received a monumental upgrade. Calibration, effortless. Tool change, a breeze. With an automatic tool changes that accommodates 15 tools. The sky's the limit for your possibilities. But let's talk honesty. While the 5-axis 450 wheels are commanding 1.28 kilowatt spindle power, we are transparent about our capabilities. We won't promise the moon and stars. Unlike some competitors, we believe in precision with purpose. While the 5-axis 450 can perform miracles with a vast range of materials, there's one caveat to acknowledge: cobalt chrome disc milling. We stand firm on this, not to lower expectations, but to exceed them with result. Now let's shift our gaze to the competition. Against the likes of the Ceramil Motion 2 and IMSICO 350i, this isn't merely about competing, it's about setting a new standard. Some may proclaim the ability to handle any material, but the 5-axis 450 does not merely rely on words. It showcases unparalleled capability. Designed for success within its optimal range, that's our commitment to offer you a platform where precision is the foundation of every project. In a world of empty promises, we've chosen a different path, an honest one. The 5-axis 450 stands by its promises within its realm of expertise. Thank you so much for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, our motto is precision with a purpose, and the 5-axis 450 is here to elevate your creation. Your successful business is my primary concern.